team. The ship leaves at 10.
Whoa! Look at that! It's a giant floating building!
Welcome. Passports and tickets, please.
Here you go.
We show her our passports first. Then she checks our tickets and gives us boarding passes. The boarding pass is our key to the ship.
Wait, oh no! Where is my passport? I lost it!
Dad, it's in your left hand.
Oh, right. I knew that.
Here are your boarding passes. Have a great cruise.
Thank you. Let's go.
Wow! This is inside a ship? It's like a palace.
Okay, let's see.
Our room is on deck 8.
No. What is a deck? A deck is like a floor in a normal building. And on a ship, our bedroom is called a cabin.
We are on deck 8.
Let's find our cabin.
8040.
8041. Ah, here it is. 8042.
Hello, I am Maria, your cabin steward. Welcome to Deck 8.
Hi, Maria. Nice to meet you.
Yay! This is our cabin. Look at the towel elephant.
It's perfect.
Huh?
Perfect. But wait, there is the best part. Look at this beautiful view. This outside space is called a balcony. We can stand here, feel the ocean breeze.
Hello, ocean. We are going on an adventure.
We made it, honey. Happy vacation.
Happy vacation. Happy vacation, my love.
My stomach is making angry noises. I am so hungry.
Okay, let's go get some food. To the buffet. This is a buffet. You take a plate, walk around, and choose whatever food you want to eat. You can eat as much as you want.
Anything? Even chocolate cake for breakfast?
Nice try, buddy. Real food first, then dessert. Fresh pizza. Would you like a slice, little lady?
Yes, please. Can I have 2 slices of cheese pizza, please?
2 slices of cheese. Coming right up.
To our amazing cruise vacation. Cheers!
Cheers!
All done? Are you ready for the pool?
Yes. Swimming time.
We have our swimsuits and our towels. Let's go to the top deck.
Water, here I come. Wait right there, little fish. Not yet.
The sun is very strong today. We must put on sunscreen first. Sunscreen protects your skin so you don't get a bad...
Look at me. I am a sunscreen monster. Roar!
Look over there! A surf machine! I am going to try that. Welcome to the wave! Who wants to try surfing? I can do it. I watch surfing videos all the time. It's easy.
Videos? Oh boy, this'll be good.
Okay, Dad, keep your balance, bend your knees a little bit, don't stand up too straight. Be careful, the water is very fast.
Whoa! Too fast! Help! I'm losing my balance!
Splash!
He fell down. Dad fell down. That was so funny.
I meant to do that. The water is very nice down here. Woo!
Good try, my brave surfer. Now, who wants a reward?
Ice cream! We want ice cream!
Hello, little explorers. What flavor would you like today?
So many flavors. I like sweet things. Can I have 1 scoop of strawberry and 1 scoop of chocolate, please? Would you like that in a cup or a cone? A cone, please. Thank you. Eat fast, sweetie. It's very hot out here, and your ice cream is melting.
Sun, water, and ice cream. This is the perfect vacation.
Attention, young explorers! The Captain's scavenger hunt is starting now!
Scavenger hunt. That means treasure. Let's go.
Here is your map. Follow the clues and collect the stamps.
Good luck.
This is a scavenger hunt map. We need to follow the clues to find the treasure. A clue is like a small hint or a puzzle.
Clue number 1. A very quiet place with many, many books. Books! I know this. It is the library. But where is the library?
The ship is too big.
Excuse me, sir. Where is the library, please?
Go straight down this hall, then turn left at the big glass elevator. The library is on deck 14.
Wow, her English is getting so good.
That's my girl.
Go straight, and now we turn left. To the elevator. I found the stamp station. It's over here. Perfect. 1 stamp. Now for clue number 2. A dark room where we watch shows and movies. The theater. Shh.
Welcome to the theater. To get this stamp, you must answer a question.
I know! A giraffe! It is a giraffe!
That is absolutely correct. A giraffe has a very long neck to eat leaves. Here is your special stamp.
Captain, we found all the clues and got all the stamps.
Congratulations. You are very smart and brave. You are now honorary sailors of this ship.
Best scavenger hunt ever.
They did amazing.
Cheese! We are real sailors now. I answered the giraffe question.
Well, sailors, it's almost time for the captain's dinner. We need to dress up.
Tonight is the captain's dinner. We must wear formal clothes. Dad is wearing a suit and a tie.
Good evening. Welcome to the dining room. Here is your menu.
Thank you. Our menu has 3 parts. First is the appetizer, like a small soup. Next is the main course, like
Steak or fish? I want the dessert first. Can I have the main course dessert?
Nice try, sweetie. We start with the soup. Be careful, don't spill it on your nice shirt.
Cheers to our amazing cruise!
And a special dessert for our 2 new honorary sailors. Enjoy!
Wow! Thank you so much! Look at all the stars in the sky. They are so bright.
What a fantastic first day! We explored the giant ship, played in the pool, and you 2 became brave sailors.
More.
chocolate cake. Good night, Ocean. Good night, Mom.
Good night, my beautiful family.
Sweet dreams.
Did you enjoy our cruise adventure? Hit the like button and subscribe for more fun English stories. See you next time!
Land! I see land! A tropical island!
Let's go explore the island. We have 5 hours before the ship leaves.
Welcome to paradise! Do you need snorkeling gear? This is snorkeling gear. The mask goes over your eyes so you can see underwater. The tube helps you breathe air while you look at the fish.
These fins are too big. I feel like a giant duck.
Wow! So many colorful fish! It's like an aquarium!
Mom, look! A wooden turtle. It looks just like the one we saw.
That is $20, little lady. It is handmade.
It is very beautiful, but $20 is too expensive for my pocket money.
Can I have a discount? How about $15? You are a very smart shopper. $15 it is. Deal.
Thank you.
I am so proud of you, Scout. You are a great negotiator.
Listen, the ship's horn. It is time to go back to our floating hotel.
Goodbye, island. Goodbye, sea turtles.
What an amazing adventure. Where should we go next year?
Thank you for traveling with us. Did you learn some new words today? Tell me your favorite part in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye!
Okay, team. We leave the ship tomorrow morning. Time to pack our suitcases.
Why is my suitcase so full? I didn't buy anything.
Mom, I can't find Mr. Dino. My toy dinosaur is gone.
Don't worry, sweetie. Let's think. Did you leave it at the pool? Or maybe in the restaurant? Let's check under the bed first.
Found it. Mr. Dino was sleeping under the bed. Yay! Thank you, Scout. Now I am ready to pack.
Don't forget the tip for Maria. She kept our room so clean.
We leave a tip to say thank you for her hard work. A tip is extra money for good service. We will write, "Thank you, Maria," on the envelope. She will be very happy.
We have all our suitcases. Time to go home.
Are you sad to leave the ship, Scout?
A little bit.
But I miss my own bed.
I am an honorary sailor now. I can sleep anywhere.
Taxi! To the airport, please!
What a trip! We learned so many words on the cruise ship. Remember, suitcase for packing, cabin is your room, and always leave a tip for good service. Practice these words on your next vacation.
And don't wear a tie on your head. Oh, Atlas.
Thanks Thanks for watching Journey Daily English. See you next time. Bye!